Hi, my name is Tinashe. I've put together this video to demonstrate a web app I've developed called YCC Portal. In this video, I will briefly describe the app, outline a use case, and then I will demonstrate a production version of the app. The front end of the app was built using vue.js. I used Vuex for the state management, VueRouter for the routing, and Bootstrap 4 for the responsive design. The back end of the app was built using Google Apps Script, which is a subset of JavaScript 1.6 with a slight sprinkle of JavaScript 1.7 and 1.8. The backend code executes on Google Cloud. Broadly speaking, the app can be divided into two blocks, one being the Human Resources Management block, the other being the Client Relationship Management block. For this demonstration, I will focus on the Client Relationship Management block, in particular, the Terms of Reference workflow. To give you a bit of context, Your Community Consulting, or YCC for short, is a student-run management consulting organization. YCC's primary aim is to provide management consulting services to charities, small to medium enterprises, and local governments. In order for YCC to begin work on a project, the committee at YCC and the prospective client must agree upon the structure and objectives of the project. To achieve this, a Terms of Reference document is drafted and sent to the prospective client for feedback. This process is then repeated until the client is happy with the terms set out on the document. To begin, you log in and navigate to the TRR management section of the app. As you can see, there are no documents on the server, so you can click Create to start a new one. So the first step is to select a client from the list. If the client is not on the list, you can simply click Add Client in the corner here to add a new one. But for this demonstration, I'm going to use this one. The next step is when you begin to draft the document. On this page, I use Quill.js for the rich text editing features, so I can format the text as I please. Also, Quill.js can output HTML, JSON, and plain text. I've also implemented both front and back end validation to ensure that the sections are filled in accordingly. Plus, you can save a draft version of this document by clicking the save icon down here. Once you're happy with the content, you can then publish the first version. To send the document to the client, you click on the Email tab and compose an email. For the email functionality, I used the Mailgun API. From here, the client can view the document and submit feedback. To alert YCC about a feedback submission, I use the Slack API to send a webhook to the appropriate channel. In addition to this, the client can download a PDF version of the document. For this feature, I used vue.js.